Bouge. We're gonna plug this thing into the power station. It has a cigarette lighter portion, which I don't think we're gonna use. Just to test it out here away from the house, we're gonna plug it into the power station. See how well that works. Set this at 37 degrees, and while we are letting it cook, put the handles on. Watch out for that. We have it set to 0 Fahrenheit. We have a bottle of water. And so after 3 hours and 40% of the DJI power station, we open it up. Nice light inside of it, and this unspecified amount of water is almost frozen. Now I know it's not scientific, but this is pretty good. This is pretty good. I tried to freeze it. 1, 2, 3. Yep, that turns it off. And we will save this for when I go camping.